Is BuddyPress finally dying? It's a question thousands of site owners are asking right now, and the numbers are starting to tell a story. With over 100,000 active installations, BuddyPress version 14.4.0 hasn't seen a major feature update in over 8 months. Just maintenance and security patches. On the other hand, the paid alternative, BuddyBoss, is flourishing, releasing game-changing features with timely, consistent releases. Take BuddyBoss Plus, for example. They just launched native gamification with over 90 triggers, ranks, and badges to keep users engaged. They've also introduced activity topics, making it easier than ever to categorize and filter posts in activity streams and group forums. Also, they have introduced a new element look for the BuddyBoss backend settings in BuddyBoss 3.0. So what does this actually mean? Is the open source giant falling behind for good? Or is this just the nature of free development? The dev team's recent updates have been almost exclusively security focused. The latest blog posts confirm a much slower pace of innovation. In fact, BuddyPress 14.3.4 is only confirmed compatible up to WordPress 6.7.2, and there's still no set date for a major update. This has led to a surge in high anxiety searches. Users are genuinely worried about the long-term viability of their communities. We're digging into the live data to see where you should put your trust. Share your thoughts in the comments. Are you sticking with BuddyPress or making the switch? We also provide community site development support. If you own a BuddyPress or BuddyBoss site and need help, book a 30-min 1.1 call with our community site expert. The link is in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such BuddyPress and BuddyBoss related content. See you in the next video. Have a good day.